Today we will explore the key section for About Us page. First, pencil banner. Second, header section. Brand history and achievement section. About products. Our vision and mission. Our team. FAQ section. And the last, footer section. Let's see it live. Pencil banner. This is a small banner at the very top, often used for temporary promotion and announcement. This is a header section, then brand history and achievement. Here we tell the story of company, its founding and its journey. It also highlights any major achievements or awards. Next, about products. This section provides overview of the company's products or services, our vision and mission. Here we express the company's ambition for the future and its fundamental purpose. Then our team section used for introduce the people behind the company, showcasing their expertise and experience. This is a FAQ section and the last footer section. So guys, are you ready to tell your brand story and connect with your audience? Let's work together to build a captivating story that inspires trust and sets the stage for success.